It did not take long for Apple to address some of the teething problems of the iPhone XS. The company has released an iOS 2.0.1 update that, most notably, fixes a problem that prevented XS and XS Max from being loaded through a cable connection until the screen woke up. This did not affect all of iOS was really fine, but this could be a relief for anyone concerned about waking up with little battery. It also solves a Wi-Fi reception problem in which the device would rejoin a network in the slowest 2.4 GHz band instead of at 5 GHz. There are also some more general updates, which include problems for Bluetooth to be inaccessible and the lack of subtitles in some applications. iPad owners can also be happy to see that the 123 inches key returns to its original position on the virtual keyboard. This clearly is not an important feature update, but you will definitely want to update it, as it solves some obvious problems that were affecting the experience, especially for people with new iPhones.